Hi, I'm Megan from Khan Academy, and I'm excited to share that LearnStorm is back. LearnStorm is Khan Academy's back-to-school and fall program that gives teachers a fun way to help students gain skills, foster growth mindsets, and build teamwork. This year, as we launch into the unknowns of distance learning, hybrid learning, and uncertain in-school teaching, the opportunity to help students build connections by working towards a common goal through LearnStorm is more important than ever. LearnStorm is available starting August 17th, but don't worry if your school year starts later. You and your students can join LearnStorm anytime after August 17th until LearnStorm ends on November 15th. When you log into your teacher account on Khan Academy, you will see the LearnStorm banner on your teacher dashboard. If you are a new teacher, after you finish adding your students, return to the teacher dashboard to view the banner. Once you are enrolled in LearnStorm, the next step is to create assignments for your students. As students complete assignments, they earn progress on the LearnStorm Progress Tracker. As a teacher, you will want to click on the Check My Progress button and take a quick look at how the demo tracker works. Once you finish watching the demo tracker, it's time to check the progress your own students have made. One word of caution: the tracker may seem to load slowly, but it has the power to excite students everywhere. Random acts of dancing, jumping, falling out of chairs, and fist pumping can and have happened. Be sure to project your screen to the class or share your screen if you are engaged with distance learning. Every ring on the tracker requires the number of completed assignments to be 3 times the number of students in your class. So the more assignments your students complete, the higher level they achieve. There is no limit to how many levels a class can earn, so encourage your students to keep going. For more details on getting started with LearnStorm, please follow our step-by-step guide on our website at learnstorm.khanacademy.org. We'd also like to invite you to our Khan Academy and LearnStorm implementation webinar on August 27th at 4 p.m. Pacific. We'll walk through some LearnStorm basics, share tips for implementation with students, and answer questions live. If you can't make it, don't worry, we'll be sure to post the recording on our website. All of us at Khan Academy are looking forward to working with you and your students to help everyone keep going and keep growing throughout the year ahead.